In this lecture, we will have a quick introduction to Vapi and a few alternatives on this kind of a framework so that you can build your voice AI agents with. So if we go quickly back to our diagram, this kind of a diagram can be built custom. This is something we did, like literally writing every single line of code in 2023 because there were no companies like Vapi or LiveKit. I'm not sure how old is LiveKit, but there are now a few more options like this. But let's have a quick look at Vapi first. So Vapi is a company based out of Silicon Valley, and they're founded literally in 2023. I remember actually their first days when I was researching other alternatives when I was running the voice AI agent company that I was building. They have raised $20 million, and I believe they are not very big company. Like nowadays, a lot of software companies do not need to be very, very big. So around 85 people. One of the very nice companies that I really like the story of them evolving and they're going on. And I believe also they went through YC. Yes, exactly. These are the two co-founders of them, Jordan and Nikhil. They went through YC. Their story is very interesting. They did a bunch of pivots. I'm consuming Jordan's content a lot on the internet. So that's one option that you can go. And we will go with Vapi. Just for you to know, there is another open source alternative called LiveKit. It is something that actually under Apache 2.0 license, it's built with Python. We can have a quick look. Look, they have like 1,600 commits. A build failing right now. It's interesting. And if you look at the project lifetime, it started in October 2023. So these projects, all of them are pretty much new, and they are still very good. You can do a lot of things with them. The very interesting part about LiveKit is that OpenAI used LiveKit in order to do their advanced voice mode. There is a very interesting deep learning voice AI agent course that has recently been announced. And I recommend watching that if you want to build voice AI agents with code using LiveKit. And the LiveKit co-founders are teaching this. So at the end of the day, when you actually want to build a voice AI agent, either you do it custom or you pick one of these frameworks. And 99 out of 100 times, I will recommend picking a framework, because otherwise you'll reinvent the wheel and you'll end up building exactly that framework. But you can't do it better than them because they were already there for multiple years. They spent so much money and they already made those mistakes. So don't you make that mistake of building a voice AI agent custom by using an ASR, a TTS, the LLM calls all by yourself. Use a framework like Vapi or LiveKit. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.